So thank you all for watching the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So my location is in St. Elizabeth, right at one place I'm calling him Hopewell, close to Fort Charles. So if you make the left turn, we'll take you all to Fort Charles. So I'm heading towards, I think it's the Ponside area. You know, some things sometimes you have a little difficulty with how them set up the place, the name of the place in Jamaica. So you have to know the area very well. Yeah, man. So big up on yourself, anyone I watch from. Big up yourself again, Marcia. Big up all the Ponside people them. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man. So the sign where I was at, it's saying it's Hopewell, but I'm going to take you all to the Ponside area too. Yeah, man. Is it Jamaica nice? Is it Jamaica beautiful? Tell us that St. Elizabeth Parish can't done tour St. Elizabeth Parish. Yeah, man. Can't done tour St. Elizabeth Parish. And leave in the comment section if you would live in the St. Elizabeth area. Yeah, man. Where in St. Elizabeth you think you would live with your family, loved one? Just indicate where. See a lot of ackee tree, kneesberry tree, breadfruit, cashew. Wow, this is really the bread basket. Bread basket. You can get everything in St. Elizabeth area. Yeah, man. So I was requested to do this video. Yeah, man. So if you're watching this video and you like it, share the video free of cost. Like up the video free of cost. You know, see, it's in a mango season around them area. You have some nice robin mango and blackie mango. Yeah, man. So when you want the mango in the mango season time, you come at St. Elizabeth. You know, when you come at St. Elizabeth time in the mango season, if you're a crab lover, you can also get in a crab, land crab. Yeah, man, you know, curry crab and breadfruit, some yellow heart breadfruit. Yeah, man. We don't call red stripe beer. That's the way how we live in the countryside. A lot of cool problem up on the tree them. Don't really watch the road condition, you know. Don't watch the road condition because sometimes there are some bad road at some place and they take it to some beautiful areas. Yeah, man. So 11:13 a.m. So we are in the Ponside area. Yeah man, this how we call the Ponside area. So if you know Ponside, yeah man, Fire Reid put Ponside on the map. Big up yourself again, Marcia. Big up yourself. And also big up the big man when them call him Philip. Big up yourself. You know where you're watching from. So big up on yourself, you know. So this is the Ponside community. And you know, if you check the internet, if you check Google, they have a story with the pond. Yeah man, so you can read that and learn something about this area, Ponside. This area is so quiet and peaceful. Link up corner bar. Yeah man, so this is a link up corner bar on your left side. So this road can take you right back to Black River Parati. We have a lot of turn off in Jamaica, you know, a lot of turn off. Yeah man, a lot of turn off in Jamaica. We have a standpipe. You know, every community have a standpipe. Some beautiful house in them area. Very nice house, you know. Beware of dogs. Private property. Yeah. Never know this place was so beautiful. Yeah man, so I put this on the map. So anybody interested in any place or land to buy and then know the area, this is the right channel you're on to know about Jamaica. natural beauty. So you see our next standpipe here. So again, so when you're in the Ponside area, yeah man, you can take it to Fort Charles, Greenfield, Black River, Stonefield and place there, you know. View. When you're in the Ponside area, you can see right over to the Black River Sea. It's so beautiful. It's very, very beautiful. Very beautiful. So we are very close to the Ponside Primary School. So this is the sign right here, said Ponside Primary School, Black River P.O. St. Elizabeth. Yeah man. full view of the Ponside area, St. Elizabeth 2024. Yeah, you know, every year, you know, say it's an upgrade. Every other day things change in Jamaica. So keep updated to the place, you know. Boss, I clean up one land on your left hand side there. I see a lot of logwood. Yeah, man. You have a lot of logwood there, a lot of firewood. Like it's a nice piece of property, but I don't see they have any sign like it's for sale. Wow, this is a very, very nice building here on your left. Very nice color also. Looking good. Like it's an Airbnb or something. Like it's House of Zealand. So thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. See the sign, you are now leaving Ponside. So big up on yourself and who know watch from. Yard and abroad, big up on yourself. And thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.